Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video and a really different video for my channel. Today I'm going to be coloring my hair. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below and let's get started. Again, that shimmy, I don't know, is it a thing now? I guess so. So my hair is complete crap. If you want to know what my hair has been through, I will link some of the hair tutorials down below, like the time I dyed my hair blue and, you know, all that followed with that. But now my hair, you know, it's not crap, it's just very boring. Very bland, it's just black, and now I finally put heat on it. I didn't put heat on my hair for like 2 years. Anyway, so what we're going to be using today are the new Colorista sprays, and I'm so excited to be trying these on dark hair. So we're going to be seeing if it works. If it doesn't work, I don't know. Now I have 4 shades. The 4 shades that I have are hot pink, rose gold, gold, and as well pastel blue. So I'm feeling like I'm probably gonna look like, you know, like a Lucky Charm unicorn kind of thing with all the gold and the pink and blue. So I haven't washed my hair in a few days now, and I have a little bit of a curl in it just from like a couple days ago. It's just like left in there. So let's talk about what these are to start off with. My understanding is this is a 1-day color. So it's a spray. It comes in an aerosol can. You spray it on and it'll last about a day or so. I don't know how much it rubs off, but it'll last until you wash it out. On the back here, it does state that it does wash out with shampoo, and there's a cute little image of, you know, what it'll look like on a brunette hair and a blonde hair. So that's why I'm curious to see if it's gonna work on black hair. So on the back of the 1-day spray, it says how to apply. 1, place a towel around shoulders. 2, shake well before use. 3, spray 10 to 15 centimeters away from dry hair. And 4, color dries in minutes. Okay, pretty easy. It says what to expect. Less is more. Overspraying may cause hair to feel dry. All overcoloring may require more than 1 can. And in pink here, it says may transfer but washes off easily. I like how they're honest and say if you do want this to be all over your hair, you're gonna need more than 1 can. You do receive 57 grams per can. Now, I'm not gonna put a towel around my shoulders because this shirt I've had since like the dawn of time. So if it gets some spray on it, oh well. So I guess what I'm gonna do is just pick a section of hair and spray it. So we're gonna start off with blue. Front and center right here, actually. Okay, here we go. Okay, well, it's blue. Looks kind of ashy, but it's blue. Let's do another one back here, I think. Okay, let's go in with a little bit of pink. Ooh, that one really showed up. That one's pretty. Ooh, and that is like a hot pink. That's cool. Let's do another one back here. My hair's pink, my hair's pink. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more. Maybe I'll do like a pink one right underneath here. And I'm gonna go over to the other side. Now, specifically for my hair, because it's curled, like, it's like I have to get the top, the back, the side, blah, 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 because it's spun. So I think maybe trying to do this with your hair straight might be a little bit easier and you might waste less product. See, I'll spray one side and then when it goes back, so you see portions of it that are on the opposite side. Okay. I'm now gonna go in with some of the gold. That is so cool. Oh, I love the gold. Oh my god, I need to do gold here too. Oh, I love the gold. The gold is cool. Ooh, hello. And now for back here, let's try the rose gold. Ooh. So there's like a little bit, like a quarter of my hair done. I've gone back and like brought out more pigmentations of certain ones, and I just like keep spraying to build the color. I think that that's like the trick, especially for black hair. Like for example, this pink one, if you go back to it, it's just gonna be so much more vibrant after the original layer has like dried. So I think I'll go over to this side now. So I'm gonna stop there. I did brush my hair once through. My hair's looking a little frizzy, but I am stopping. These are about halfway through, just so you can get an idea of how much you can get out of one of these cans. Now I have just done like the sides of my hair, so I've probably done about 2/3 of my whole head, and I did like all of my hair even underneath. So this is the final results. I mean, it worked, it sprayed. I feel like I was expecting a little bit more pigmentation out of the cans because of how much I sprayed on it, but I mean, it is colored. I mean, it is. I think if I was to do it again, I wouldn't put the gold and the rose gold in there. I think I would opt for like a green or a purple, another color to complement the pink and the blue, because those ones you can see really well. My hair, I will say though, feels like it is Halloween 1996. I got out the red spray paint and sprayed my hair. That's what it feels like. It almost feels like it's a little wet, like it's being weighed down. So I think it needs to dry a wee bit, but look at how much is on my shirt. I don't know, guys. I think that this, you're gonna have to use a lot to get it on your hair. And at that point, if you have black hair, like, I don't know, it's just like a lot of work for not a lot of reward, I feel. Like, I don't know. And what I would use this for, I would use this as root spray. Like, I would totally spray it in my roots and like make my roots look like they're a specific color, put like some glitter in there. I think that's what I would do for this specifically. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the fact that I have to go wash my hands now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.